Even when you think tracking is off, your phone keeps broadcasting what I call ghost signals, invisible data streams that reveal more than your diary ever could. Your phone is betraying you. There's one hidden phone setting that could make you completely invisible. This is a setting so powerful, government agencies use it. So hidden, phone manufacturers bury it deep. What if I told you there's one hidden phone setting that could make you completely invisible to hackers, stalkers, and data thieves? As you're watching this video, your phone is quietly telling strangers everything about you: where you live, where you work, who you're with, what you're doing. And no, this isn't about airplane mode or just turning off Wi-Fi. This is a setting so powerful, government agencies use it. So hidden, phone manufacturers bury it deep. So effective, it can make you disappear from the digital world completely. Your phone isn't just a communication tool, it's a 24/7 surveillance system, one that would make the CIA jealous. Every app you've ever installed leaves a digital fingerprint. Every place you've visited is logged, tracked, and sold. But here's the terrifying part. Even when you think tracking is off, your phone keeps broadcasting what I call ghost signals, invisible data streams that reveal more than your diary ever could. Your phone is betraying you every second of every day. Here's the setting that changes everything. It's called Limit Ad Tracking on iOS and Opt Out of Ads Personalization on Android. Innocent name, right? But behind it is the most powerful privacy tool on your device. When used correctly, it creates what experts call digital camouflage. But here's what most people get wrong. Just turning it on isn't enough. It triggers a cascade effect. It changes the way your phone talks to the outside world, like switching from a megaphone to a whisper. Once you've enabled it, here's what to do next. Step 1. Go to your app permissions, revoke location access. From every app that doesn't absolutely need it. Your weather app? It doesn't need to know where you are 24/7. Your shopping app? It works just fine, without tracking your steps. Step 2. Disable precise location for all apps. That's the nuclear option. Instead of your GPS coordinates, apps get a general area, like giving someone your city, instead of your exact street address. Step 3. Turn off Share My Location entirely. This blocks your device from broadcasting your position, even to trusted contacts, or attackers using compromised connections. Now, let's flip it. Let's look at this from a hacker's perspective. Normally, when I track a phone, I get location history, app usage, even sleep patterns. But when I target a phone in proper ghost mode, I hit a wall. The data's gone. No trail, no breadcrumbs. We call it a gray device. It exists, but it's invisible. No rich data stream, no tracking hooks, no access. And here's the real kicker. It's not just hackers that lose visibility. Data brokers, stalkers, even surveillance programs that buy commercial data. They all hit the same wall. Now think about this on a bigger scale. If your phone can leak that much data, what about an entire team's phones? Every device is a possible entry point, a vulnerability, a digital door into your business. That's where Tileris comes in. Tileris deploys AI security agents that do more than monitor. They predict and prevent. They adapt faster than any human team, stopping breaches before they spread. If you're serious about securing mobile devices at scale, visit Tileris.com and see how we protect what others can't even detect. Ready to level up? Here's how to take ghost mode even further. Change your DNS settings to privacy-focused servers, like 1.1.1.1 or 9.9.9.9. This blocks your ISP from logging every site you visit. Enable private relay on iOS, or use a reputable VPN on Android. That's an encrypted tunnel, hiding your browsing from hackers, ISPs, even governments. Turn off analytics and improvements. Your phone doesn't need to study your behavior. This data often gets shared and used to build shockingly accurate profiles. Let's talk results. A cybersecurity researcher tested this. Before ghost mode, his phone triggered over 10,000 tracking events per day. After configuration, fewer than 50. That's a 99.5% reduction in trackable data. He became nearly invisible. And guess what? His phone still worked perfectly. Calls, messages, apps, maps, no difference. Except one. He wasn't broadcasting his life anymore. Now imagine you're running a company. One employee with a trackable phone could expose your entire infrastructure. Attackers use that data to plan break-ins, target executives, map out communications. But a ghost mode policy across your company? That creates what we call collective invisibility. It's not just privacy, it's security. Forward-thinking companies are already partnering with Tileris. Why? Because while employees lock down their personal phones, Tileris locks down the entire enterprise. Real-time threat detection, adaptive AI defenses, predictive protection before breaches even happen. Don't wait for a wake-up call. Visit Tileris.com today and see what real mobile security looks like. So there you have it, the one setting that can make you invisible to hackers, trackers, and stalkers. But remember, privacy isn't a one-time switch. It's an ongoing defense strategy. Configure your ghost mode today. Stay ahead of the threats and never stop learning, because in today's digital world, the best weapon against hackers is the one they can't even see coming. If you found this video helpful, tap like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more advanced cybersecurity tips from Tileris. Stay invisible, stay secure, and stay one step ahead.